God, oh my god. Oh my god. I decided I'm gonna give me a mini twist and I'm gonna film it. Give me a mini twist. I'm gonna give me an undercut. Now, y'all know, if you've been following me, I'm excited. If you've been following me on Instagram, y'all know that, I don't know, I've always been fascinated by undercuts. I never really wanted one, but lately I've been wanting to cut my hair, one, or to re-dye it, two, but I don't want to like do a drastic cut, like a crazy, like on my sides. And I know a lot of you are gonna, like, have always told me like, don't cut it because you're gonna regret it, blah blah blah. But at this point with my hair, I don't care. Y'all know, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, that I have a lot of hair. And it takes me a long time to do my hair. And I just feel like, well, there's been problems with my nape from the beginning anyways. My kitchen from the beginning anyways. But I have a lot of hair, y'all. And if this can take even like 20 minutes off from doing my hair, then so be it. I'm gonna do it myself. I had reached out to someone that I knew that was a cosmetologist that I was trying to see if they would do it for me. But I mean, they replied and everything, and they're a great person, but I'm just like ready. I'm like itching. Like, I need to do it now. I want to do it now. So I'm gonna do it myself. I have clippers, but yeah, so my kitchen has always been bad. I already have it. I don't have it sectioned off. My hair is still in mini twists, so I'm gonna take the twist out and then clean it up based on that. But I've always had a problem with the nape of my hair. A while ago, I don't know if you guys remember, if you follow me on Instagram, again, on my live video, I had used an ORS deep conditioner. And when I went to rinse it out and detangle my hair, it literally ripped out pieces of my hair. And since then, my the breakage on the back of my neck has been really bad. And I've always had that problem. It's also the kinkiest part of my hair. So a lot of my curls on top are looser. The sides are about normal, but the back is like shrinkage-topia. It shrinks. By the time I'm done doing my wash and go, it literally shrinks to about right here when my hair is like to, you know. So it has a lot of breakage. It's really rough too. It's like the hardest part of my hair to keep moisturized, which is probably because it's on my neck all the time. But I just want something different. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what the back of my hair, how like uneven. See this little divot right here?
And I think there was a reason why.
Okay, so this is me trying to make a straight line on the back of my head, which took me forever. Like, y'all just see a little clip of this, but this took me like 2 hours, and y'all, this is like the hardest thing I ever did or tried to do. Now in the next clip, you're gonna see all my little scalps, because I had these in for like a month at this point, so my scalp is like begging for me to take these out. I just had to do this while it was easier to do this than have my whole full head of hair out. So I'm gonna let y'all see my reaction, okay? Wait, was it like is this like an alright amount? Like, it looks alright. It's perfect. Okay. To start off? What do you mean? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Oh. Oh my god. God, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now that it's all cut off, I'm like combing out my head. I can't believe I even did this. And I'm evening out well, I'm trying to get it as short as possible. I went and got clippers now. Y'all are gonna see me go ahead and like shave my head and all that stuff and give me like a mediocre fade and stuff. But I did end up going to the barber after this. I just needed to have it presentable enough to like go out the house. So yeah, and don't mind them clothes over there in that bathtub, because those clothes are clothes that need to go to Goodwill that I've been stacking up on, and I haven't sent to Goodwill yet. So this is just reality. I'm human, I'm sorry, but yeah. And I'm just cleaning up my little edges a little bit with this little eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow razor. And yeah, y'all, this is crazy, but I did, like I said, I did go get it correctly faded and stuff like the next day. So yeah, and now my mini twists are out and all that stuff. So yeah, y'all, this is just crazy. I can't believe I even did this on a whim like that. Like, I'm wild, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!